Happy Friday, everyone. Yeah. So today is Friday, right? It's a fly day. Fly day. Okay, I'm in the office, or we call it Experience Center here in Toronto. Right? Okay. I had the demo with a lady, a friend. I let her to try P90 Plus or Tira P90 Plus, which is at the back. And then I let her to try it, right? And then she was amazing. She was amazed, okay? She was amazed with the result. She tried our P90 Plus and the massager because she has this shoulder pain or frozen shoulder. You know what happened? She decided to, okay, how much? And I'll take it. Boom, done deal, right? So, you know what? With the compensation plan, this is what I'm always telling to newcomers or new members of our company. The compensation plan. This is very powerful, guys. Daily payout, daily payout, daily payout. If you sold a machine or item today, tomorrow night, boom, money. You know how much I'm going to make? This is not to brag, okay? Not to brag. I'm just sharing this just for those members and aspiring members of our OliLife company, that you can make more if you're pushing hard to do this. All right? Referral bonus. That's the number one compensation plan, or six ways, one way of earning with OliLife. The referral bonus, that's $150 US referral bonus from the Therapy 90 Plus. And if you have same product on the left side, which is a compensation plan is binary, left and right, there's a Therapy 90 Plus on the side. And then on the other side, which is left and right, if you have that both Therapy 90 Plus, you know how much is the chair bonus or pairing? We call it pairing to other networking company. That's $750 US. So plus the referral bonus of $150, that's a total of $900. And it will be available tomorrow night around 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Like, amazing. You know, that's the power of our product. And the good thing with our product is, and it's very powerful because of the PEMF combined with terahertz. All right? And patent. It's patented that nobody could copy it. All right? See? That's only 2 hours. You could make $900 US. How much in Canadian? Again, I'm not bragging. I'm just sharing this just to, to inspire other members of OliLife. OliLife Toronto is expanding. It's growing. It's like all over Canada right now, and not only in Canada, you know. So, guys, join us. Let's rock. Cheers, guys. Happy Friday.